Now, in this lecture, I will discuss about the basic human aspirations. So, what are the various basic human aspiration I will discuss. Now, you can see the desire in the form of continuous happiness and prosperity. So, this is essential for the basic human aspiration means continuous happiness and prosperity. So, you can see verify whether you want to be happy or unhappy, verify whether you want to be prosperous or deprived. So these are the various questions. You can see whether the basic aspiration in that desire is happiness or prosperity. Prosperous means, now you can see how we can explain prosperous means successful or financially good, and deprived means to stay away from something. So this happiness comes from the uh, fulfillment of physical facilities, and this prosperity, you can say in Hindi, you can say samradhi. It comes also from uh, the fulfillment of uh, required physical facility, as well as the right understandings of the things. Now you can see the happiness. This is the symbolic representation. You can see the happiness. Now, how we can explain the happiness? The happiness is to be in a state of liking, is happiness, and the situation in which I live. If there is harmony in it, then I like to be in a state of situation. So, uh, verify whether you want continuity of happiness and prosperity, or discontinuity of happiness and prosperity. Now we take the example of individual at the level of family and society, at the level of nature and environment. There are various problems. Now if we talk about the level of individual, there is unhappiness, dissatisfaction. So at the level of family, there is interpersonal conflict, tensions, injustice, hatred. At the level of society, there is exploitation, struggle, war, poverty, unemployment. At the level of nature and environment, there is pollution, there are ecological disturbances, air, water, soil and food pollution, soil fertility is decreasing. Now there are various problems. So so these problems are remaining in the society, or as society, or in the nature, at the level of family. Now how we can remain happiness, or how we can continue happiness? So this is the question. So you can answer this question by explaining the some terms in next slide. Now I will explain the unhappiness. Unhappiness is what? To be in a state of disliking, and the situation which I live, if there is conflict in it. Now prosperity is the feeling of having or making more than required physical facility. Physical facility is like food, shelter. Now for prosperity, two things are required. First, identification of the quantity required for physical needs, and second one is ensuring availability of production. Now these are the list of wants. Now these are the list of wants for the fulfillment of human aspirations. So a big car, happiness, great house, lot of money, respect, good friends, nice music system, peace of mind, do social work, satisfaction. So these are the list of wants. So underline shows the basic human aspirations. So if this fulfill, a person get happy. But besides of these, there are some other problems I have already discussed. So if they fulfill, then the person becomes happy and prosperous. Now you can see the basic requirement for fulfillment of human aspiration is the right understanding, and this understanding is developed by using value education or the relationship with the society, or as well as relationship with the nature. So these are coming through the fulfillment of the relationships. So there are some other categories, like you can see, these are the categories, and we find most of the people in this category. SVDD means साधन विहीन दुखी दरिद्र. SSDD साधन संपन्न दुखी दरिद्र. SSSS साधन संपन्न सुखी समृद्ध. Now how we can explain this SVDD, SSDD and SSSS? Now take an example of rich and poor person. Now a poor person which is having deprived from the physical facility comes under the category of SVDD, sadhan vihin dukhi daridra, because he is deprived from the physical facility as well as he is poor. Now SSDD, sadhan sampann dukhi daridra, take an example of a rich person. A rich person having facility but unhappy is called as sadhan sampann dukhi daridra. Now SSSS sadhan sampann sukhi samriddh, a normal person having facility and happiness is known as sadhan sampann sukhi samriddh. Now before we explain this, we have a clear understanding of desires. Desires may be materialistic or non-materialistic. So what are the various materialistic demands and non-materialistics? You can see the food, shelter, clothes and physical facility which are quantifiable comes under the category of materialistic. Now non-materialistic, it is qualitative in nature, like respect, trust, happiness, recognition, peace. So these are the non-materialistics. So where do we stand today? Now you can see I have already discussed at the level of individual, rising problems of depression, psychological disorders, suicides, stresses, insecurity, health problems. So these are the problems arising at the level of individuals. So happiness is losing. So these are the reasons why happiness is losing in the individual, family or society or nature. Now at the level of family, breaking of joint family, mistrust and insecurity in relationship, divorce, legal suits. Now at the level of society, terrorism, casteism, wars between nations, fear of nuclear and genetic welfare. Now at the level of nature, global warming, water, soil, air, noise pollution, resource depletion of minerals and oil, loss of fertility of soil. So these are the reason by which person is losing happiness or peace in this society. So it is very difficult to live with continuous happiness and prosperity. Now to live with continuous happiness and prosperity, the program is to understand and to live in harmony at all level of our living existence. So you can see the level self, family, society and nature. So continuous happiness is being in harmony within oneself, being in harmony with others and being harmony with the nature.